Broccoli with scallops is a popular dish in many Chinese home kitchens and restaurants because it combines tender, sweet seafood with crisp, vibrant vegetables in a light and healthy stir-fry. The natural sweetness of scallops pairs beautifully with the fresh flavor of broccoli, making it a favorite for family dinners, lunchboxes, and festive occasions. Today, we will show you how to make this delicious broccoli with scallops, a quick recipe that looks impressive but is surprisingly easy to prepare at home. If you're using frozen scallops, begin by thawing them completely. Soak the scallops in clean water with a small pinch of salt for about 15 minutes to refresh them, then drain well. If your scallops are large, you can cut them into bite-sized pieces. Finely chop the garlic and set it aside. Place the drained scallops into a bowl, season them with half a teaspoon of salt, the Shaoxing wine, and the white pepper, then gently mix everything together and let them marinate for about 15 minutes. While the scallops are marinating, bring a pot of water to a boil. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to the water, then blanch the broccoli florets until they are about 80% cooked. This usually takes around 2 to 3 minutes. Remove the broccoli immediately and drain well so it stays bright green and crisp. Heat a frying pan over medium heat and add a small amount of cooking oil. Place the scallops into the pan in a single layer and cook until they develop a light golden color on each side. Remove the scallops and set them aside. Add a little more cooking oil if needed, then stir-fry the chopped garlic until fragrant. Add the blanched broccoli into the pan, sprinkle in the remaining salt and the sugar, then add a small splash of water. Toss everything together until the broccoli is fully cooked but still crisp. Finally, return the scallops to the pan and gently stir everything together for about 1 minute. Once everything is evenly coated and heated through, transfer the dish to a serving plate and enjoy while it's hot. Secrets to making this dish successfully is to avoid overcooking the scallops, as they only need a short time to stay juicy and tender. Blanching the broccoli before stir-frying helps maintain its bright green color while reducing the final cooking time. Always cook over medium heat and avoid overcrowding the pan so the scallops can develop a beautiful light sear instead of steaming. Fresh garlic adds wonderful aroma, so don't skip this simple ingredient. For this recipe, you will need 8 scallops, approximately 320 gram, 300 gram of broccoli florets, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of Shaoxing wine, 2 teaspoons of salt, divided for the recipe, 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, and 2 tablespoons of water. The estimated total calories for the whole dish are approximately 510 calories. The estimated calories per 100 gram are approximately 95 calories. This broccoli with scallops is one of those dishes that proves healthy food can also be incredibly delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, please share it with your family and friends, give this video a like, and subscribe to Mini Spoon Asia for more delicious Asian home cooking recipes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.